sincerely hope that you study the wisdom.
Yeah, they told me.
Okay.
I'm still recording.
Oh, no. My body's gone. No, stop. Come on.
Wait. The crew having fun. Wait. Memory.
Did she pick all of it? It's over. I cut it. It's just staring at you.
Ẹ̀bẹ̀ mọ bẹ́ olúwẹ̀rẹ̀ máa gbẹ̀bẹ̀ ọ̀sọ́ máa pa òmàrìwò yìí kéré o ọ̀sọ́ máa pa òmàrìwò yìí ogun lélẹ̀ kéré o ogun lélẹ̀ ó bá wọn jọ ẹ̀bẹ̀ mọ bẹ́ olúwẹ̀rẹ̀ máa gbẹ̀bẹ̀ òmàrìwò yìí o èrè màrìwò yìí o èrè màrìwò yìí o èrè o. Níbo lẹ ti kọ́ orí yẹn? Níbo nìyẹn? Orí ìkálẹ̀ nìyẹn. Orí ìkálẹ̀ nìyẹn. Olúwẹ̀rí tá a sọ yẹn olókun ni. Yes, it is the goddess of the deep sea. You know, and what actually happened was that the promise had already been made to Oluweri, and people just failed, to fulfill that, and that was what they were talking about. That's what that is all about. Yes, Ogunlele means he has risen up. Oh. Okay, Ogunlele, Obawanjo, and when it got up, it fits everybody. It looks like everybody. Ebemo, Be Oluweri. I am making an appeal to Oluweri, and that's the God of the deep sea. Oluweri, Magbebel. Oluweri refuses, will not accept. Ogunlele, Tere Ogunlele, Obawanjo. Ebemo, Be Oluweri. Oluweri, Magbebel.
What happened?
Mariwo is the shoot from the palm tree. That new one, that is Mariwo. Yes. The offshoot from that palm tree, Olunje Mariwo. Amafi Ngo Tabanshi Ogun. Omuni Kini Enkoto make something funny. Now you got it. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You should all go and see my website. It's www.yorubainstituteofculture.org. Yes, Odiri. Oh, that's nice. So you saw it. That's my website. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Yes, I am the owner of that institute.
Yeah, I saw that.
You saw that. Okay, that's good. We will begin to put in songs like this, put in some other Yoruba cultural events, and then people can go there, read about those things. We will put songs and some other cultural events. We will put them there. But you have been very great. Thank you. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Oh, I prefer it. Yeah, I just everybody like to get it.
Yeah?
We're taking video. I can't see video.
Oh, thank you, bro.